Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to turn off your Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So you might notice that notifications such as text messages are silent, and the reason might be because your Do Not Disturb is turned on. I will now demonstrate how to turn it off. First, you need to go to your control center by simply dragging the upper right of your screen down. When you're here, you can find the Do Not Disturb button, so just press the moon icon, as simple as that. Or you could also hold the moon icon and press the Do Not Disturb button. I much prefer this method because you can see that there is a schedule below the Do Not Disturb text. So if you want to turn it off, go to Settings, go to Focus, and go to Do Not Disturb. Scroll down until you find Set Schedule. Just press this and just simply turn it off. It's that simple. I hope that helps you, and if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified for our new videos.